Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy tickets using Fandango. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in fandango.com and press enter. Once you have entered this, you will be taken into the official Fandango website. Now in order to log into your account, click on the sign in/join button at the top right corner and use your login credentials to log into your account. After you have logged in order to buy any tickets, simply use the search box to search for a city, state or a movie ticket that you want to buy. Or you can also use the browse feature to search for various movies that you want to watch. After you find a movie, you can simply click on it and scroll down to find out which dates and in what format the movie is being played. You can simply select your desired preferences and then you can select the time and the venue as well. Go ahead and select your time and venue, and after you click on it, you will be allowed to select your seating. You can simply go ahead and choose any seat that you want, and you can choose up to 9 seats based on your requirement. After selecting your seats, click on the next button, and now you can proceed with payment. Simply finalize the number of tickets that you want to buy, and then click on the next button, and you can proceed with paying for your selected tickets. You can just use any of your selected payment methods, and after you verify your payment method and complete the purchase, you will receive your tickets within your email. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy a ticket using Fandango. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.